Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Let's check out this dish brush by Quickie. You will love it because it has really nice firm bristles and a really sharp edge for scraping those filthy pans.
Gone are the days of boring basic dish brushes. This one here from Quickie has really nailed everything you need in a dish brush. It has a really nice handle to hold and also functions as somewhere to hook it to dry it out. They have mastered the bristle texture. It is firm enough to scratch off gunk on plates and dishes, but also soft enough to be able to bend into different nooks and crannies. In this pan here, I had cooked some pasta sauce with some ravioli in there, and so I had that kind of crusty baked on tomato sauce on the sides. This brush was able to curve into it absolutely perfectly to give me a really nice clean finish. Also, it is great on different things. It's small enough to fit inside a regular size mug, and then it's also really easy to keep it clean. I just use the dishwashing liquid to brush it off, and it comes up really well.
So guys, super simple, easy to use, stores away really well, also has that nice little section for a hook. I love it. Makes a terrible job so much easier, but that's just my point of view.